Okay, in order to sign up for Scratch, what you need to do is click on the link in Google Classroom. And when you click on this link, it's going to open up this. It says Woodland Enrichment, and we're going to click on Get Started. And then you're going to create a username. And a password. And you can show the password so you don't forget it. Maybe you should make it something and write it down, make it something easy. Click on Next Step. My computer is very slow. And you can put in, maybe everybody should just do January of 2010. So you do need to fill in these fields. And now you can click on Go to Class. I'm going to save my password. And we'll see what happens when we go to class. And then it will bring you to our class page. Hope this helps you sign up for a Scratch account. I'm hoping to post something next week. We'll see how it goes. It might be a total disaster. It might be a success. We'll have to see. But please contact me through Google Classroom or send me an email if you're having any trouble doing this. Thanks.